thunderstorm warning for eastern Du Bois County in south-central Indiana, Crawford County in south-central Indiana, northern Perry County in south-central Indiana, Orange County in south-central Indiana, western Washington County in south-central Indiana, until 11:30 p.m. or 10:30 p.m. At 10:54 p.m. or 9:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles south of Bedford to near Santa Claus, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salem, Powley, English, Carefree Town, Mount Pleasant, Fertiland, Orleans, French Lick, Staffers Creek, and Marengo. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. or 10:30 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana: Du Bois and Perry,